Meaning of folk dance.
Folk dance.
Folk dance.
Folk dance.
Folk dance. Folk dance refers to traditional dances passed down from one generation to the next within a specific community or culture. These dances reflect the history, values, and social practices of the community. Unlike professional or choreographed forms of dance, folk dance often emphasizes group participation and can be performed at social gatherings, festivals, or other cultural events. Some examples of folk dances include the polka, waltz, and square dance. Overall, folk dance plays an important role in preserving cultural heritage and promoting community cohesion.